EPS fully out-packaged foaming production line includes pre-expander, full-layout foaming machine, cello, steam accumulator, air compressor, compressed air tank with accessory, and a cooling water tower. Pre-expander control system can set foaming density, steam pressure and foaming temp according to customer requirements. The density can be up to 4 to 60 kg per cubic meter. Process time is 2 to 2 minutes per circle. 2 kinds of pre-expanders: continuous tap and batch tap. The continuous tap model is 40, 70 and 90. The batch tap model is 460, 800, 1100, 1200, and 1400. The capacity can be up to 50 to 600 kg per hour. After raw materials poured into hopper, the expander controls material in automatically. The materials will expand by steam heating. After up to set time and density, the expander pulls formed materials into fluidized bed to dry automatically. Fluidized bed will remove water. Then the blower sets formed materials into cello. The formed material will stay in cello 4 to 5 hours to remove the water again to keep the material dry. The formed material will be set to material barrel, a foaming machine through blower. The automatic foaming machine can set material feeding time, steam pressure, and foaming time. The material will be set to mold, cavity by material barrel automatically. When reach foaming time, the product will be pushed by charging ram and finish one process cycle. The finished product will be put in drying room, then to store and sell. This machine foaming time is 19-120 seconds. Machine model have 900, 1220, 1520, 1520, 1620, 1720, 1820, 2000. We recommend customers the suitable model according to their required capacity and product size.